In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut to a website in Brave browser. This quick technique gives you a one-click way to open your favorite site straight from your desktop or a folder, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. It works using Brave's built-in site information icon, so you don't need any extensions or extra tools. First, open Brave and go to the website you want to create a shortcut for. Make sure the page is fully loaded so the icon and name are ready to be used for the shortcut. Choose the exact page you want since the shortcut will open that specific URL. Next, look to the far left side of the address bar. You'll see the View Site Information icon. Depending on the site and your Brave settings, it may look like a small padlock or sometimes like two push pins. It sits right before the website address. Go ahead and click that icon once to make sure you've got it selected and you're interacting with the right element. Now, with your mouse, click and hold on that same icon and drag it. Don't drag the tab and don't drag the URL text. Drag the icon itself. While holding the mouse button, move the icon directly onto your desktop. If you'd rather keep it organized, you can drag it into any open folder window instead. If it helps, arrange your windows so your desktop or the target folder is visible before you start dragging, then simply drop the icon where you want the shortcut to live. When you release the mouse, Brave creates a shortcut file using the site's name and icon. This file acts like a launcher. Double-clicking it will open that website in Brave, taking you right back to the page you chose. If the icon doesn't drop, make sure you are holding the site information icon itself and that you're dropping it onto a location where you have permission to create files. That's it. You've created a desktop shortcut to a website, and it opens directly in Brave. This is great for frequently used dashboards, project pages, or any site you want at your fingertips. If you ever move the shortcut into a different folder later on, it will continue to work the same way. To recap, open the site in Brave, find the site information icon at the left of the address bar, click it, drag that icon to your desktop or into a folder, and release. You now have a clean, reliable shortcut that launches the website in Brave with a single double click.